Hello friends, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Myself Vamshi. Today I'm going to teach a topic on formulas. Now let's see the formulas. Now first one is geometrical formulas. Now formula number one is area of a square. Area of a square is equal to side into side, students. Next one, second one is perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square formula is 4 into side. Next, third one is area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle formula is equal to length into breadth. Next, fourth formula is perimeter of a rectangle, that is equal to 2 into L plus B. Next, fifth formula is area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Then next, sixth one is perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C, students. Here A, B, C are nothing but sides of a triangle, students. Next, seventh formula is area of a circle. Area of a circle formula is pi r square. Here pi value is 22 by 7, that is 3. If you divide 22 by 7, you will get final answer is 3.14. Next, formula number 8 is area of a semicircle, pi r square by 2. Here area of a semicircle is nothing but half of the circle is known as nothing but a semicircle. Okay, here L is equal to length, students, and B is equal to breadth, and H is equal to height, and pi is equal to 22 by 7, that is 3.14 value. Okay, next one. Here I am showing the diagrams of this formulas. Now this is square formula, square diagram. Square consists of all sides are equal. Okay, square has all sides are equal. Next, second one, rectangle. Rectangle, here any two sides are equal, lengths and breadths are equal. Okay na. Next, third one is triangle. Okay, this is triangle. Triangle consists of total 3 sides, and a square and a rectangle consists of total 4 sides, and square has all sides are equal. And coming to rectangle, any two sides are equal, that is nothing but lengths and breadths are equal. Example of square is nothing but you can take any one. Here I am showing practical example. This is board black. This is whiteboard. This is example of rectangle. Okay. Next, triangle consists of 3 sides, and number of types of triangles, number of there. Okay, now triangle consists of 3 sides. Next, fourth one is circle. Okay, here this is circle. If you divide circle into two parts, that is nothing but a semicircle, students. Okay, clear. Next, let's see the remaining geometrical formulas. Yeah, next, ninth formula is area of a parallelogram. Parallelogram formula is B into H. B, here B is nothing but base, and H is nothing but height, students. Next, formula number 10 is area of a rhombus. Area of a rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2. Here D1 is nothing but D1 and D2 are nothing but diagonal, students. Okay. No, 11th one is area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium formula is half into A plus B into H. Here AB are the sides of a trapezium, and H is equal to height. Next, 12th one is area of a quadrilateral. Area of a quadrilateral formula is half into D into H1 plus H2. Here D is equal to diagonal, and H1 is equal to, and H1 H2 are nothing but heights. Next, 13th formula, area of a ring, or area of a ring is also known as circular path. Area of a ring or circular path is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square. Here R is nothing but radius, students. Next, 14th one is area of a sector. Area of a sector formula is x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here R is equal to radius, and pi is equal to 22 by 7 value. Now 22 by 7 is nothing but 3.14. Remember this value. This value is very important. Next, LSA. LSA full form is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2h into L plus B. Here h is equal to height, and L is equal to length, and B is equal to breadth, students. Next, TSA. TSA full form is total surface area. Now total surface area of a cuboid formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now here LBH, L is equal to length, students, and B is equal to breadth, and H is equal to height. Let's see the remaining formulas. Okay, next formula is 17th formula, that is volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid formula is L into B into H. Here L is equal to length, and B is equal to breadth, and H is equal to height, students. Next, 18th one is volume of a cube. Volume of a cube formula is S into S into S. Here S is equal to side, students. Next, TSA of a cube. TSA full form is total surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into A square. Here A is equal to side, students. Next one is equal to LSA. LSA full form is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4a square. Here a is equal to side, students. Okay. Yeah, these are the all geometrical formulas. Most important total 20 formulas are the most important geometrical formulas. Next, let's see the algebraic formulas. Okay. Okay, these are the algebraic formulas, students. Next, let's see the algebraic formulas. First one is a plus b whole square. These formulas are most important, students. First one is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now second one is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Next, fourth formula is a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Next, fifth one is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Next, sixth one is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Next, seventh one is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, these are the most important algebraic formula, students. Next, third one is let's see the third one, exponents and powers formulas. Okay. Next concept is powers and exponents formulas. First one is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Second one, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Third one, a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Fourth formula, a power 0 is equal to 1. Next, fifth formula, a by b whole power m is equal to a power m divided by b power m. Next, sixth one, a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Seventh one, ab whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. Okay, these are the most important powers and exponents formulas, students. Okay, that's all for today's class. I have completed algebraic formulas and powers and exponents formulas and geometrical formulas. Most important repeated formulas I have explained. Okay, that's all for today's class. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share to your friends. Thank you so much. Me Vamshi Kumar.